Good morning, ma'am. I'm your nurse for today. Okay ra ba nimo, ma'am, nga mangayo og consent nimo nga para ani nga assessment? Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Okay, ma'am. Let's proceed sa observe the skin. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Okay naman po, ma'am, yung skin. So, let's proceed the observe attire, appropriate outfit. Okay, ma'am. Okay lang po, ma'am, yung outfit for today. So, let's observe hand hygiene. Okay, ma'am. So, okay, ma'am. Observe posture. Okay, ma'am. Stand up, ma'am. Walk front. Okay, ma'am. Lingkod na, ma'am. Okay naman pala yung posture. So, proceed tas observe body build. Okay na, ma'am. Okay na, ma'am. Observe consciousness level. So, nadungog niyo, ma'am? Okay. Thank you. So, proceed task observe comfort level. Okay na ka, ma'am?
Okay naman po na.
Sige, okay. So, proceed task behavior. Okay na, ma'am. So, let's proceed to observe facial expression. So, observe speech. So, okay na ba niyo ga interview ko niyo about sa pain assessment, ma'am?
Okay naman po na.
Nalipay na ba po ka, ma'am?
Nalipay naman po ko.
Use old card method. So, wala po kayo sa mali, ma'am. So, for past history, ma'am, have you had any previous pain?
Oh, yes, ma'am. Naglanat lang po ko last time.
So sad. Does any in your family experience the pain, ma'am?
Yes po. Labi lang mawala na ng kamay.
How does pain affect your... What are your concern about pain, ma'am?
Sa man good kay siya. Sakit good siya sa puti pero makaya ra man siya siya.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Wala na ba kayo concern, ma'am?
Wala ra man po din doon.
How about daily activities, ma'am?
Okay naman po siya, ma'am.
Okay. How about mood and emotion?
Hindi naman po siya maka-affect.
Makakonsentrate na ka ba? Na ka, ma'am?
Yes po.
How about physical ability?
Okay naman sa siya, ma'am.
And how about work, ma'am?
Okay na po.
Relationship to other people, okay ra?
Okay naman din naman, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Makatulog na ba po ka, ma'am?
Nakatulog lang yan ko 7 hours po.
Okay. How about your appetite, ma'am?
Naara mo po na magkaon, ma'am.
How about enjoyment of life?
Okay naman po siya, ma'am.
Thank you for being my patient today, ma'am.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Thank you.